Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Cloudflare from your no-code deployment pipeline, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the website you want to uninstall Cloudflare from. Click on the DNS tab in the top navigation. Locate the DNS records that Cloudflare is currently managing. For each record, note the existing values before making changes. For example, take note of the original IP addresses for AN name records. Next, disable the proxy status by clicking on the orange cloud icon until it turns gray. Confirm that the DNS records are now pointing directly to your server. Now, proceed to the Overview tab from the top menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the option to remove site from Cloudflare. Click on this option and confirm the removal when prompted. After removal, head to your web hosting provider's control panel. Update any DNS records to reflect the original values noted earlier. Check for any specific Cloudflare settings in your application or deployment pipeline. Make sure to remove any references to Cloudflare from your codebase. For example, delete any API calls or redirects related to Cloudflare. If you are using automated scripts, ensure they no longer include Cloudflare configurations. Lastly, test your deployment pipeline to verify that everything runs smoothly without Cloudflare. Ensure that your website is accessible and functions as expected. Consider monitoring your website for any anomalies post-removal. By following these steps, you can successfully uninstall Cloudflare from your no-code deployment pipeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.